Hey, what is up, guys? And today, I have to whisper because my brother's I'm in bed and he's sleeping, so I gotta whisper. Today, on this episode, we're gonna be forcing the brain of Cthulhu. Yeah, so oh my god, that thing just came out of nowhere. Oh god, that freaking scared me. Oh my god. That scared me. And that's it. I am going to also be showing you, since I defeat these things so easily and epically. And I'm gonna go collect the coins. Get everything. And also, I'm gonna be, I'm pretty sure in my next, I think my next or couple of episodes, I am going to be playing. I may have already told you this, but who cares? If you didn't see the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. I'm gonna be teaming up with Justin and Lucas from the Master of Diamonds 205 and JB from JK Abercrombie Studios. And you can buy organics and use them to creep trap. Alright, let's go. In the comments below, can you tell me how to use a fishing rod? Because I honestly do not know how to. So, yeah, that was my house. I'll also be. I'll show you some epic machinery. It's called the bunny. Yay, bunny. Who doesn't like bunnies? I don't like bunnies. Bunnies! Ah, die, bunnies! Die! No one likes bunnies. It's like Donald Trump, just cuter. 600th bunny. Yeah, 'cause I hate bunnies. Die, bunnies. Okay, I'm just going with bunnies for a while. So, if you haven't seen my last video, you should see it. Also, you should. All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, and I never give it up. It's kind of my favorite song. All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, and I never give it up. Okay. I'm trying to get platinum coin. I honestly, Justin, just so you know if you're hearing this, I'm gonna probably go in your world and that trailer guy thing, I'm gonna create a platinum coin for wings. So you don't have to give me that. And yeah. Let's do this. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next episode. We're gonna take down that